agricultural application of alkynes, alcohol, and alkanes. Moreover, alkynes, alcohols, and ethers are of great significance in agriculture as a result of their diversified properties. For instance, alkynes can serve as insecticides, killing insect damaging to agriculture. Pyrethroids are some of the active ingredients in the metabolism of alkynes. These insecticides are very good and efficient in killing insects and will have a higher margin of safety for the plants as well as other organisms. Alkanes are also important for the synthesis of herbicides, which is a type of chemical used to delay or completely prevent growth of unwanted plants in agriculture. Alcohols and ethers are likewise substantial agricultural uses. The raw material for the production of alcohols is further mixed with it to be used as active solvent and carrying out some pesticides and another general energy input that would run farm machines. Ethers may be added to pesticides to enhance their potency or in formulation containing the plant hormones.